Yeah, this weather's been crazy this year. Nothing ever goes according to plan. Yeah, we're not off to a great start. First year since I've been planting that I've not planted April corn. I want everything to be perfect, and especially this year, it's not gonna happen. About 18 inches of rain on a couple farms we got, but man, it was getting hammered from day one. Is what it is, I reckon. Just been perfect breeding ground for the aphids. It's just aggravating when you get this close to the end and she comes in, wipes you out. I mean, we've fought so hard this year and had so many different struggles. Mother Nature wins this year. Very blessed with what we got, for sure.